opening the discussions, Sri N.M. Subramaniam, General Manager, full stop. Northern Railways, said he was very happy to welcome the representatives of the chamber to the meeting, full stop. He the referred to the memorandum of points for discussion submitted by the chamber and said that he had consultations with the concerned departments and the note placed on the table contained the views of the administration staff. In order to save time, he suggested that the chamber's representatives might confine themselves to any further views which they may have on the various subjects for discussion and clarifications, full stop. Next stanza. Shri D.S. Gill, Chairman of the Transport and Communications Panel of the Chamber, thanked Shri Subramaniam for proving opportunity to have a free and frank exchange of views of transport problems with the members of the chamber, full stop. He said that quite a number of problems detailed in the chamber memorandum were in existence for some years, and since the continued to exist, the chamber was anxiously looking forward of this meeting for some time. Stop. Such discussions are of great benefit is these promote better cooperation between the users and the operators of the railways through appreciation of each other difficulties, full stop. Next stanza. He said that the chamber appreciated Northern Railways endeavours to cope with the requirements in spite of several problems faced from time to time. Stop. There were, however, areas in which the roadways could do much better than it is at the moment actually doing, some of which have been detailed in the said memorandum, full stop. Stanza. The subjects covered in the memorandum were then taken up. Some of the points were further detailed by the representatives of the members of the chambers who raised them as a result of particular difficulties faced by them from time to time while with the railways. Stop. The remarks of the railways administration on the various issues raised are given below for information and reference purposes, full stop. Next stanza. The railways are in full agreement with the view of the chamber, full stop. Next stanza. Booking restrictions are imposed only when certain terminate or transshipment point gets congested, stop. It is imposed only when unavoidable and its purpose is to ensure the overall movement stop. In view of this and other points mentioned in the discussions, an advance notice about these restrictions cannot be given because they are imposed when the situation gets out of control, and if a few days margin is given, there will be a tendency on the part of the stations to book much more additional traffic, due to which the terminal or transshipment point will get completely congested, and tenancy the booking restrictions may have to be continued for a very much longer period. Full stop. Stanza. The difficulties faced by the firms at Rajpura are not very clear. Stop. On a number of occasions, discussions were held by Delhi division officers with the Director of Industries, Punjab, and representatives of trade with regard to the various facilities available at Rajpura. Full stop. Next para. The Director of Industries, Punjab had agreed to bear the cost of providing a new siding about 800 feet long at a cost of approximately rupees 35,000 to give more facilities to the traders. Stop. The matter is under reference with them. Stop. As soon as the matter is again considered at any level, the members of the chambers will be intimated either through the Director of Industries himself, or he will be sending information to the Secretary of the Chamber, who in turn will circulate the information of the members